once you start creating something, don't stop. Once you get that good vision, put some actions behind it. Make something, see how the market like it. Go back to the drawing board, come up with something else, but don't stop, because you never know what it is that you're going to create that someone else is going to need. Someone else is going to be able to say, hey, I needed this. I've been looking for this. A few more people can be able to help you get things established by they saying they need your brand in their community, in their area, in their city. And you might be states away. Network what you got. Network what you got. I can't say that enough. This Monday, everybody getting ready to get on the grind, or those who are already on the grind. Network those visions, those goals, those drawings, those ideas that you've been sleeping on, sitting on, saying, hey, when I get this just right, I'm going to do this. Go on and do it now. We don't know how much time we got. Why waste time? Why waste time on what ifs when you could actually make something happen and say, you know what, I learned from that. That ain't going to work. Let me go do this. Because eventually you're going to get it right. Eventually you're going to hit that soft spot where you can be able to have a nice resting product in a store, in your store, on your website, that's going to be actually helping you and your family and helping you help other people. So the goal is to not stop creating, man. I can't say that enough. This Monday is don't stop creating. No matter what you got going on, keep your options open. Keep your mind and imagination running wild to create things, find needs, find ways to solve problems, come up with something that can help someone else. There's tons of things going on. Just keep your options open. Keep your eyes open. Keep your mind flowing in the direction of what's the need in this area? What do they need? What can I build with my trade? What can I provide with my service? How can I help? How can I solve a problem in an area? So ask yourself those questions, man, and don't stop creating. Don't stop. No matter, I know sometimes, just like writer's block, you get burnt out sometimes, you get frustrated, you run into obstacles and stumbling blocks, and you run into people who literally just don't want to see you win. So they say, hey, I'm going to see what I can do to slow this down some. It is what it is. But you know what? We're going to win because we're not going to stop. We're going to keep creating. We're going to keep providing something of value. And as long as you do that, you're going to be all right. No, I don't know how it's going to all turn out, but I know one thing. I've never seen someone who didn't give up not win. So it might take you longer. It might take him shorter. It might take him twice as long. But if we don't give up and we keep grinding and we keep knocking on doors, everything is going to be all right. Hold on.